My name is Victor Anyanwu, and they call me the social media oracle. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. You are welcome to my show, The Oracle Says. All right. Now, on this show, we'll talk about social media stuff. Okay. Now, today we're talking about Instagram features. All right. And our guest is already here. So, hi, Adam. You are welcome to the show. What are we talking about today?
This week, we're announcing a bunch of new features for our creators out there. We're announcing a place where you can see what's trending in terms of Reels on Instagram, a new editing UI for creating Reels, new insights for Reels, and an expansion of our digital gifts program to a number of other countries around the world.
All right. Okay. All right. Good. So, tell us about it. What's this feature? Why is it so good? Why is it important? Why should we use it? Why should we? Okay, now it's available on our phones, but why do we really need to use it? Tell us.
Reels trends. Starting just in the US, you're going to be able to go to a place and see what's trending around the world on Reels.
Cool, that's nice, yeah.
And hopefully be inspired to create a reel yourself. If you are, when you do go to create a reel, you're going to see a new Reels editing UI with layers, so you can see your video and your audio separately and other layers over time, just making it easier to create a reel on Instagram.
Okay.
Next, something I like to call a finally feature, one that we should have gotten to a long time ago. Improved Reels insights.
Okay, so where can we find it? Where can we find it on our phone? Where exactly can we find it on the Instagram app?
From now on, for every reel that you post on Instagram, you'll be able to see the average watch time on that reel and the total watch time on that reel. And because we know that a lot of creators are trying to make a living doing what they do, we're also expanding our digital gifts program, which is currently just in the US, to Australia and Canada and Mexico, France, New Zealand, and the UK. We're also adding a new feature to digital gifts so that you can see if anyone has given you a digital gift and you can actually send them some love to say thank you. Some of these will take some weeks to roll out, like expanding gifts around the world. And if you have any questions, any of the details, you can always check out my link in bio.
As creators, we love anything that can help push our business, all right? Help expand us, help show our work to more people, all right? Anything that can help us grow. We love it. Anything that can help us earn too, yeah, we absolutely love it. You can follow me at the Oracle VA at TheOracleva. Do not forget to smash that like button. Do not forget to comment, to like, to share. Click the notification button. Do not forget to subscribe and join us again next week. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Remember. Strategies win battles, not weapons.